I love dentistry. This definitely lived up to getting the most hands-on experience I have ever gotten, and I'm definitely applying to Touro. So the amount of hands-on experience that we get here, it's like I would not have had this experience otherwise, so I'm incredibly grateful.
I was questioning whether I wanted to become a dentist or not. I am applying to Touro 110%.
The technology here in Touro is very modern, which you don't really find in other dental schools.
Suturing was one of my favorites.
We got to learn about all the 12 dental specialties out there, and I'm looking forward to applying here.
How my life would be like as a future dentist.
What has stood out the most to me is the amazing faculty they have here. They're all so willing to answer your questions.
I fell in love with the school the second I walked in here. It's such an honor to attend dental school here in the future.
Touro really is my dream school.